उस अच्छी नौकरी को कैसे छोड़ें जो आपकी सोल को मार रही है। कभी कभी सक्सेस एक ट्रैप बन जाती है, बाहर से शाइन करती है, अच्छी सैलरी, कॉर्नर ऑफिस एंड लिंक्डइन पर लाइक्स, बट अंदर से एक खालीपन महसूस होता है। इट्स लाइक अ गोल्डन केज, कंफर्टेबल, प्रेस्टिजियस बट लॉक्ड फ्रॉम इनसाइड। मुझे क्लाइंट की याद आती है, हाई परफॉर्मिंग एग्जीक्यूटिव, फैमिली सेटल्ड, everything is fine. One day he shared, Dinesh, you know what? Every morning I think why I am doing this thing. One evening he shared, Dinesh, you know, every morning I wake up and I don't know why I am doing all this. He was not tired of work. He was tired of himself inside that work. And I said to him, maybe it's not about the bad job. Maybe it's about the beautiful prison. And that's the truth about the golden handcuffs. They are not made of metal. They are made of fear disguised as a logic. But stability and stagnation कभी कभी same coin के दो फेस होते हैं. Outside the word says lucky you, but inside your soul says help me. He had all the people dream about, but dream changes their owner with time. और जब आप पुराने सपनों को पकड़ के बैठ जाते हो तो वो आपको पकड़ के बैठ जाते हैं. One evening he came late from the office. His daughter asked, पापा आप हर रोज इतना थके हुए क्यों लगते हो? He smiled and said, ऑफिस में काम ज्यादा था. But the real answer was different. It was, ऑफिस में मीनिंग कम था. And that same night he messaged me, I don't want to quit blindly. I want to escape intelligently. And that line became the beginning of the escape plan. The 4-phase escape plan. And the fourth one is my personal favorite. I told him, let's treat your career like a company and you are the CEO of it. He laughed and said, then what I have to audit first? Fair point. I said, your balance sheet of the security first. So phase 1 was financial clarity. In corporate term, we say that this is the CEO ecology check. We mapped his expenses, investment and the emotional cost. उसने देखा बहुत सारे expenses सिर्फ ego को fuel कर रहे थे, purpose को नहीं. He redirected that money into the freedom fund. And the first time he felt control. Your income should finance your pivot, not your paralysis. Phase 2, internal audit. We look inside. क्या उसका प्रॉब्लम काम का वॉल्यूम था या काम का मीनिंग? Every time he felt frustrated, he wrote down which core value he violated. After a week, the pattern was clear. He was earning money by suppressing the very curiosity that once made him valuable. Burnout is not the tiredness. It is the evidence of misalignment. Phase 3, आइडेंटिटी रिहर्सल. रोज सुबह बस वो एक ही बात लिखता था, आई एम नॉट एन एम्प्लॉय, आई एम द एंटरप्राइज. लैंग्वेज चेंज्ड हिज एनर्जी एंड एनर्जी चेंज्ड हिज बिहेवियर. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट द फ्यूचर वर्जन ऑफ योरसेल्फ, द प्रेजेंट स्टार्ट्स negotiating with it. And last and my favorite, low risk experiment. We call it career lab. In weekends, he started mentoring the startups. Helped them to build a system. No resignation, no burning bridge, just experiments. After every weekend, वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा lively महसूस करता था. And then one Friday, he said something that summed all it up. I don't need to escape my company. I need to evolve my identity. And 6 months later, he resigned gracefully. No drama, no resentment. He just said, I am making a strategic investment in my potential. That's how freedom sounds when it's spoken by clarity, not anger. Golden handcuff doesn't open with the keys. They dissolve with the decisions. Comfort is not the enemy of success. It is the enemy of progress. If you're stuck in your job, it looks good but feel wrong. Ask yourself these questions. What I am trading my energy for? Which values I am violating to stay comfortable? What would I be if I were not reintroduce myself? And what tiny experiments I am going to start this month that proves I have options? Because you don't need bigger paycheck. You need a braver identity. If this feels like your story, then let's talk one-on-one. Together, we will map your runway, design your alignment, and design a transition that frees your time without wrecking your finances. Freedom isn't found by quitting. It is built by design. And I am here to help you design yours.